number of students have asked about the printout of your survey for Project 2. So I wanted to make sure that it was really clear how you can very easily get a PDF of your form, especially if you use a Google form, which is I've found to be one of the easiest ways to do a project like this. Now, if you have another format, that's okay also. You don't have to use a Google form if you're finding another way to get a survey in a format that you're able to get to over 100 respondents. That's okay. But if you are using Google Forms, then once you click the link, and maybe let me go back and show you, uh, because it's an external link, you do have to click it twice. So you'll go here and then open the Google form and so on. Once you have your form created, if you go to this top right, do you see this? Let me see if I can make it even a little bigger. It doesn't look like I can, um, can't seem to get the screen to show up any bigger than this. But if you see here in the top right where it says more, the three dots that you can hit for more, the option to print comes up there. And you go ahead and select print and then choose that you want to print to PDF. That's one way to do this. I think there may be other ways to do it also. Um, Not sure, but that's the way that I've found. So I hope that that helps you. So again, you go to more, print, and print to PDF. Now, if you need to, if you can print your survey another way, that's all right also. Whatever's going to work for you, but I've found that that's an easy way to print your Google form. And then when you go back here to Blackboard, see, we'd go to course projects and go to this link here, submit here, project survey document. This is where you could then upload that PDF. So I would say print it as a PDF, save it on your computer, and then browse your computer to get to it. I hope that that helps. Let me know if you need any more assistance with this.